Explore strategic innovation for your business with the Buyer Utility Map, created by Chan Kim and Renée Mauborgne. This blue ocean tool goes beyond what you sell and expands into a multi-dimensional audit. The buyer experience cycle happens in 6 phases: purchase, delivery, use, supplements, maintenance, and disposal. The next dimension defines the utility levers: productivity, simplicity, convenience, risk reduction, fun and image, and environmental friendliness. As you go through every step of the customer journey, consider where your solution typically sits as the industry norm. Then, plot where your solution could differentiate itself. Combining the unique positioning for the buyer experience cycle and utility levers will reveal unique value propositions. By reimagining your offer from the insights on this map, Auxigen helps you redefine your market position and systematically eliminate barriers, turning non-customers into raving fans.